What's up, guys? I'm going to be doing a sequel to my video of Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. So here it goes. Let it fall, tap, tap, tap my heart, tap, tap, tap my way to most reclaiming, tap, 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 and I let it fall again without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you gave. I never revenued until I played the strumpet. I never knew that you set fire to the daggum rain. I watched it fall as it burnt your face until the time that came to most reclaiming to the D-Dell, the Rosemary. Alright, guys, so that's Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. Go look it up if you want like a better version, but I don't think anybody can sing it better than me because I've been like singing it since the song came out. Peace.